First stop is Aritzia. Name twin.
Sushi matcha.
Look at our view. These are our cookies. We've made it to the mall. First stop is Aritzia. Probably not gonna buy anything because it's mad expensive, but let's go. This PJ set is so cute. Am I gonna get it? No, but it's adorable. Okay, we're in Gap now, but I found this long sleeve. Couple hours later, we have officially made it back into the car and we have a couple bags, but it was very much successful. I got a couple winter pieces, but now we're gonna head to Boyfie's cut and perm. Very excited. We're at All You Can Eat Sushi. I'm with Rachel, name twin, and the boyfriend. We're very serious about our menu choosing right now. This is what we're working with. We're gonna order.
Okay, so you guys got the lady guy. It's been a while.
Since high school.
Can we do the filet?
Can you do filet?
Girls out listening when y'all say yes.
Good afternoon, y'all. It is Wednesday, but you can't even see. 3:25. We are on the bus heading to New York. Very exciting. We did leave a little bit later than anticipated, but that's fine. We're working around it. And we'll show you guys what we do in New York. Want to tell them where it's from?
Sushi matcha.
Oh yeah.
Sushi matcha.
What'd you order?
I got the bad sugar.
Yeah. Taste test. Oh, first the spoon.
It's good. We made it.
Okay guys, we're at Nolita's Pizza. New York is so loud, but basically we're trying to cram everything into 2 hours because our Broadway show is at 7. Right now, we're eating some pizza. This is our spread. We got margarita, sausage and pepperoni, and regular pepperoni. We probably have to head back to Times Square area in like maybe like 45 minutes. This thing. I think we're good on time though. Good morning, everyone. We are out at 6:30 in the morning. 6 o'clock actually, we've been waiting. But look at our view. This is what we're seeing right now. I feel like it's not as beautiful on screen, but We are looking at New York from across the water. It's so cold, but we're thugging it through, and it's beautiful. Okay, happy Thanksgiving, everyone. So then we went to the grocery store to pick up our ingredients because we are baking. We are making 3 things. Want to list them off?
Creme brulee, tiramisu, cookies.
Oh yeah, but we're starting off with the creme brulee because it's the easiest.
I'm gonna try to incorporate a little first.
Whipped cream.
Just cover the bottom there. Kind of generous, right? Yeah, that should be fine like that. The marguerites.
It's just like, yeah, just dip it once. Yeah, that's good.